All right, hey, welcome. We're excited to be able to do this unboxing with you today. This unboxing is really exciting for us because it's from one of our favorite companies, Kavu. Kavu is really about just living for each and every day. This company has always really resonated with us, and we're super excited to be able to partner with them this summer. And aside from that, we wanted to give a big shout out and a thank you to Kavu for sending this bag, this box, and let's dive into it. So,
Okay.
all right, so the first bag is the Shapiro bag, and it actually has the rope straps, which is one of the things that Kavu is known for. This not only is a gear bag, but it's actually a rope bag, which is super exciting. And so this opens up, and we'll end up using this as put all of our goodies in. It opens up, super cool, look at that.
That's awesome.
So gear in here, opens up for a tarp that your rope can get belayed on or laid onto and keep off the stuff off. So
That's awesome.
we'll put this right here, and we can put all the goodies in here.
Okay, next is, this must be for me. This is a women's large, just fleece lined sweater. It's super soft, and I love the design. The cool thing about this is the pocket actually goes all the way through.
It's like a kangaroo pocket.
Yeah, a kangaroo pocket where you could zip it up. And then it has buttons, and then like a nice little leather Kavu logo right there. So super excited for this.
And I got something similar. Again, one of their fleeces, little zip fleece. Pockets, has the Velcro for the sleeves, which I think is super rad, and I absolutely love the color. And it has the cool little pocket design. But this is mine, and
I might take that though.
Yep, super comfortable.
All right, this is the swag blanket in the Southwest pattern.
And the swag blanket almost matches my tattoo, which is really neat. But this is an outdoor style blanket that opens up, fleece on the inside, super awesome design on the back side. So we're excited to be able to have this for the trip, to be able to lay it down. We're going to be traveling in our FJ this summer, just as we get to explore kind of lower part of 48, and this blanket's gonna definitely be used a lot.
I like the fleece lines because you can snuggle, but then you can put this part on like rocks or grass, and you won't ruin any of the blanket, and you can just wipe it off, which is perfect for kids. And
we have a wet dog often.
He's not gonna be on that thing. All right, here's yours.
All right, one of the men's organic t-shirts. T-shirts has the Kavu design in the front, and on the back is all of the different paddle designs of Kavu. So stand-up paddling, canoeing, whitewater boating, sea kayaking, fishing kayaks, all of it. And this is organic cotton, which is super comfortable.
It's a good color too. I like that.
All right. So before we go any farther, I'm gonna just throw this on.
Okay, so
that is much better. It feels really good on the skin. All right, what else we got?
All right, this next thing is the Summerton Splash.
That's
this is
cool.
like a t-shirt dress. This is, you guys, one of my favorite colors if you've been around for a while, and it is super soft. Love the sleeves and design.
I think I could get into that.
But no, wait. But the ladies will love this because it has pockets. Like, super cool. They thought of everything. I've wanted to get clothes for a long time that I can go hiking in or kayaking in, and then just switch automatically to a night out of going out to dinner or going shopping. So I'm super excited for this dress.
All right, no box would be complete without, you guessed it, socks. So gotta love the Kavu socks, super cool designs. These are some of their winter designs. Has the reindeer in it, and then the fox. Of course, gotta love the unicorn.
Is that a unicorn?
Total unicorn.
Oh, that's awesome. I thought it was a stallion.
And then we got the bear and
Narwhals.
Narwhals, and then the Sasquatch Yeti. So socks are always a must, and if you have kids, you know you go through socks like you're going through food.
They steal our socks too. This is the Pixie pouch in the black topo design. This is a cute little pouch for like your toiletries or something.
My makeup.
Your makeup, my minimal makeup that I have. Super cute, super tiny, but it matches our rope bag, which is kind of cool. And it has that rope again right here, their signature rope style. So that'll be fun. Something small in the FJ. Yep,
and this is the Aztec style climbing bag. So one of the things that we love to do is when we travel is we like to go bouldering. So we love rock climbing, but oftentimes bringing all our rock climbing equipment can be a little bit daunting with our minimalist packing. So we're going to take this, we're going to go do some bouldering down south, and we're super excited for that. And this is just a quick little drawstring strap, holds all your chalk in there. Keep it simple.
I got a lot of blues in this box. I'm super excited. So this is a tank. It has reindeer on it, and then Kavu. Love the color. Again, the material is super soft, so you can't go wrong with anything that Kavu offers. This is in the size large. I like my stuff loose, especially in like hot summer muggy days, but this is super cute. I like this a lot.
All right, and we got some glasses. Sunglasses. You cannot go summer without some cool sunglasses.
This is mine.
And we got a bunch, 4 different sets of sunglasses. You can check them out right here. So the black design, the brown, and then I think my favorite are going to be these blue ones.
Those can match all my blue clothing though too,
right.
So I might take those.
And they all come in a cool little Kavu bag.
Set that aside.
Protector.
All right, so when we were chatting with Kavu, they were asking for sizes and stuff. And one of the awesome things, well, it's kind of scary that our daughter is able to wear women's size clothing right now, our 10-year-olds, but they sent some things for her as well. Super cute. This is a little tank top blouse that's really flowy in a bluish and orange design. Super cute. I am so excited for her to try this on.
And these are the Kavu shorts for her as well, and they are the extra small. So she got that, and then she also got
this dress.
Yeah, this super cute dress.
It's funny because we were actually shopping at a local shop here.
Nice.
For Kavu for Mother's Day, and these 2 items were something that Clint really wanted for me to try on, and I just didn't, like, the fit wasn't right for me, but I really loved the clothing, and so I'm super happy that our daughter got these so I can admire them while she's wearing them still, because again, material is super soft, dry wicking material on a lot of their dresses, which is cool. So yeah, I'm super excited to have our daughter try those on.
All right, these are one of their men's shorts, and again, I love the triangular designs.
It matches your tattoo.
Yep, because it matches my tattoo. So
very
matching's great.
Here is another tank top. This has a little bit thicker shoulders in a darker blue color. It's like a little turquoise, but I love the rainbow striped design. Again, free flowing. Material is super soft, and this is an extra large. Love it.
All right.
I'm so excited.
This is one of Kavu's signature hats, and this is the all cotton, not the synthetic one, and I absolutely love these. My first Kavu item was one of their visors, and I had their visors when I was a sea kayaking guide for years and used it all of the time. So super excited. Great color blue. And
matches everything too.
Matches everything.
Okay, here is Ixtapa black. This is the wicking material. This is actually a mid-length skirt. Again, I love the items that allow me to go hiking or, you know, just doing outdoor activities and then switching really quickly when we're going to go out to dinner or go see, you know, cute little shops. I feel dressed for the occasion at all times. This has a tie, so it will tighten up. and it has pockets as well. So I know ladies love pockets in their garments.
All right, and here's a couple bags for the girls. I think Kavu has some of the best names, but these are the mini rope sling bags. This is called the Mojave Dusk. Super
I like
cool.
that
It's like the
one.
pink, but again, it's got kind of the triangular designs, and then this one is called the Aqua Montage, which seems to me to be like more of a sea design, but I guess that's maybe what the aqua, more blue design. So
I actually
super
have
cool.
the larger version of this bag that I've had since like I think 2015 or 2016. And one of the best features about these rope sling bags, for me anyway, is it has the double side right here that got stuck on the tag, but it has a double side. So I like to put my water bottle in one side and then all of my other stuff on the other side, because if my water bottle should leak or anything, everything else is protected. So that's one of my favorite features, and the feature of having a secret pocket in the back for like stuff that you don't want to lose on your walk or hike. So that's
right.
just
One
the bag.
One of my favorite items that I was looking forward to is
Fishing shirt.
is this shirt.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's super cool. But being in Alaska, I love to fish, and so when I saw this has everything like has perch on there, and narwhals and pike, but
Rainbow trout,
but super cool and extremely comfortable. This is kind of that dry wicking and stretch fabric, but I love that, and I like short sleeve button-up shirts. So
that's so
I'm
awesome.
super excited.
You're gonna wear that on our boat all the time. All right. Oh, this is so cute. Kavu also sent a black minimal bag. I'm not quite sure the name. There was no tag on this one. But I like it a lot. It's very like minimal. You can see the size of my hand, but it has a front pocket that's Velcro, and then it has a clasp with a button and pockets in here. This is super cool. And another Velcro pocket. So this is going to be something that I use probably daily from now on. I'm excited. More bags.
Here's another pair of shorts. And so, you know, I have a wonderful Scottish heritage. This has kind of like the tartan design, the plaid design, which is
like
super cool. You know, every once in a while you will find me wearing a kilt, but I love the plaid design. But what's super cool about these is I like shorts that actually already have the belt in place, and this just has that super simple quick cinch belt that's a part of the shorts. Easy to put on, easy to tighten, super minimalist. Absolutely love it. Yeah. And then the back pockets are the kind of like the front pocket designs.
Weird.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. So super cool.
All right, another shirt for me. This is just a really soft, but this is just a simple shirt, but I like it because of the back straps. Super cute. Again, I can wear it with shorts or dress it up with that skirt, and always feel ready for whatever we're gonna be doing. Oh, and then here are some, these are cool, L Banana Split shorts. I need more shorts, so this is perfect. It's almost the same design like his shorts with the buckle, and then the back pockets, it has the Kavu logo right there. Super comfy. Again,
It'll be a cool
feels
great. Cool summer color.
Yeah, I like the yellow.
And there's a Kavu hat.
I think we're gonna give this hat to Noah. I think this is a kid's hat. Is it?
I don't know, I don't think so.
It fits me. It probably will fit Noah too. How'd it look?
Good. All right. Tyler sent us some super cool sweaters. Kavu's, Seattle, USA, true outdoor wear. But one of the things is I love camo. So camo and hunter orange, perfect combination.
They also sent me a sweater in a lavender purple color. Super cute, and it has just their logo and a hood.
All right.
Around the fires or something, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Here's another organic cotton Kavu shirt. It is the moon phases. So on the back it has the mountains and Kavu, and then 3 different phases of the moon there. But these shirts are just super, super comfortable. It's that organic cotton that just really separates these.
I like it.
Man, there's so much good stuff here.
I know, I'm so excited. Still excited. Sandblast overalls. So they sent me the island canopy style, and super funny because I actually wore these overalls. These are the black ones we bought, and I wore these to work. So when this is so cool, when I saw this print I knew exactly what it was coming from the box. But I love these overalls so much. They're the dry wicking material.
They got stretch to them.
They stretch, and I have 2 pairs now. Super cool.
All right, looks like these are men's water shorts. It has kind of the leaf design, but what I think is super neat about these is this is a recycled polyester. Super cool design, and I love the recycled polyester.
Yeah, that's cool. And then something else for our daughter Bria is another style of the Tuva Great Lakes tank top. Again with the rainbow design. She's gonna look super cute in this. Absolutely love it.
All right, and this is the Girl Party Flamingo Fest.
Woohoo! That's kind of
Super
cool. Flamingos. Oh, I like it. I feel like we should
It's like a party.
have a backyard party and
All right.
beach party.
Just some of the other little stuff in here. Is a super cool lanyard. Get that out. And this is just a little rope lanyard. It's called the Lemon Squeeze. Has a Kavu design, quick detach for your key ring. Yep, really neat.
That rope again. And then they also threw in some awesome stickers and decals to share with friends or to put on our cars.
Yeah, we love.
Right? We love stickers.
Who doesn't love some cool stickers?
I like that one. Fun has no seasons. Kavu, the true outdoor wear. Tons and tons of stuff. We feel so blessed right now.
Blessed.
Kavu is amazing. We're so excited to share the Kavu brand with people and share what they represent this summer. Kavu Busy Living. This is probably my favorite sticker, so I'm just gonna keep it right here because we're gonna zoom in on that.
All
super
right.
super blessed.
We got an awesome letter from
Tyler.
From Tyler there at Kavu. I won't read it, but super appreciative of him and
Very personable.
Kind of the blessing.
Amazing.
So I just want to end. I know we wanted to try some of this stuff on. Yeah, so we'll try some of it on and showcase it a little bit. But I just want to say, like, Kavu is one of those companies that, like, we've always supported and we've always loved, and so to be able to just kind of be in partnership with them and be sponsored by them this summer is a huge deal for us.
Truly incredible. Truly special.
Yep. So we're excited to be able to share these Kavu days with you, especially our summer trip. So, all right, should we try everything on?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
That was fun.
That was fun. All right, so let's just end with everything you tried on, everything that you got. I want you to go pick your favorite item. Ready? Go.
Okay, what'd you get?
I got my fish shirt, so loved it. Loved the way it felt, everything about it.
And I picked my fleece. So soft.
Cool. All right, guys. We hope you enjoyed the unboxing video and all the awesome stuff from Kavu. If they want to buy it, where do they go?
Kavu.com.
Kavu.com. Keep it simple. All right, thanks, guys.
Bye, guys.